Hello everyone, today I'll be explaining about the Newton's laws of motion by the balloon activity. For this activity you will be needing a straw, a balloon, tape and thread. The procedures of these activities are: firstly, find two spots for tying your thread. Secondly, cut a piece of the straw and insert it through the thread. After having the piece of the straw between the thread and the thread tied up, blow up the balloon and tape it with the thread. Now let the action begin. Release the balloon from your hand. So as you can see in the clip, the balloon shoots forward. Why is that? Let's see the observation. This experiment is a very good example for the Newton's first and second law of motion. Newton's first law of motion states that every body continues in its state of rest or uniform motion along a straight line unless an external force is applied on it. As you can see here in slow motion, the balloon will not move until an outside force acts on it. So the air inside the balloon acts as the outside force. When we release it, the force acts on the balloon, which causes it to go on motion. This experiment is also a great example of the Newton's second law of motion. It states that acceleration produced in a body is directly proportional to the force applied to it in the direction of motion and inversely proportional to its mass. Can you spot the difference? You can see that the smaller balloon is accelerating faster than the larger balloon. This is because of the difference in mass. A small mass object accelerates faster than a larger object does. This is Newton's second law of motion. This activity is also applied in the Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction, which is also applied in the balloon activity. As the air inside the balloon comes out from the back, it pushes the balloon forward. So these are all the Newton's law of motion. Thank you very much for watching this video. All the credit goes to my science teacher and some videos from YouTube.